Or this thing's so dumb. I made a video a while ago and it went away, and it's really frustrating. But let me try to recap everything I just said a while ago. On the previous video that got deleted, thank you YouTube and your foolish app. No, I want to say thank you very much for all my subscribers that have been subscribed to me in 2016. It was a really rough year for me. I've been battling a lot of personal issues. A lot of stuff been going on with me. But doing YouTube has helped me to feel better. It has helped me to be a better person. It has helped me to have a different view on life, a different outlook. And I'm taking that and I'm learning from it, and I've been using my, my talent, my so-called talent, of encouraging people and giving advice and all that, and I'm trying my best now to, be a better person and just put that into video, and that's what I've been doing over the past 1.5 years. This year is going to be 2 years since I've been on YouTube, and I really like it. The video that I made about the rice video is blown up, 1,300 plus views so far, for 16 days since it's been online, and I've gotten 29 subscribers just from that one video. So all the new people that have been subscribed to me, thank you very much for subscribing, and I hope you check out the rest of the content on the vlog, because if you're going to check out one video out of 200 and plus video, it makes no sense. You're not showing me love. I have a lot of people showing fake love to me. Here I'm rambling right now, but I'm just tired and tipsy. As you can see, my eyes, they're fading away. But I just want to say 2016 has ended. It was a rough year. Election, everything, crime, just everything. It was just a rough year. It was like one of the worst year for years ever. So I just want everybody to go into 2017, with a fresh spirit, with a new vibe, a positive vibe, and a positive mentality of changing into a positive individual to contribute to society in a positive way. And I continue to do that. I have my plans. There's not much changing that I'm going to do. I just need to stop being so lazy and probably sleep late and stuff like that. But apart from that, I've been working on myself for years. I'm not perfect, but my tweak here and there to get certain result that I want. But apart from that, the channel is growing, and I really appreciate you guys for tuning in and coming over to JVLOGS. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank you guys for that. Thank you very much for supporting JVLOGS. And I won't sit here and say, oh, if you guys didn't subscribe, then I wouldn't be on YouTube and blah blah. Nah, fam, nah. I'm always going to make YouTube video. I'm just going to make it. If you guys like it, you like it. I'm just going to keep it real, simple as that. You understand? So, just thanks very much for supporting me. Keep tuned. Subscribe to me on. I'm sorry. Follow me on Instagram. Try. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Snapchat. Junior to you. Follow me on Facebook. Everything. Just follow me everywhere you can. Follow me. I'm a really nice person, straightforward, down to earth, and you get a lot more of that. For the upcoming 2017, I plan to travel more. I plan to vlog more about it. I just want to improve. Just improvement I'm going to work on to build my subscriber base and build a fan base where I can touch more people. I can use this platform to touch more people and touch you guys live and change, and enlighten people, and just, help and just contribute to society in a positive way. So I hope you guys have your plans, and I hope it is successful when you implement them and make them a part of you. Remember, change start from within. Shoot me if I go wash out that plate there, they say, I think about it. Sorry about that. Cut, come back now, yes. So change change start from within. And if you really want to change, you have to start from within. You have to tell yourself, here what I'm going to change. I really need to change. People, if you really want to do something, if you really want a nice shoes or a nice car, you're going to save and you're going to work hard for it. It is the same. If you want to be a nice individual, you have to work for it. You have to start treating people good. It starts from within. You have to take that principle in different aspects of your life, apply them to different areas of your life. Seem like you want a big house and you see for it. Same way you can work hard. Same way you can treat people better. Same way you can be faithful. See me, you can be humble. Just do it. Start from within. Save. Invest in yourself. But here, I won't go past 5 minutes. So, you guys bless up. Thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks for supporting me. 2017. Looking forward to it. Continue subscribers here. Push it to 300 subscribers. I'm at 200 century right now. I really appreciate my gingerbread and gel bean. Love you guys. I'm out. You're supposed to cut now, but yeah. Like my teeth though, but yeah. Pick up on yourself, man. Gone.